How to add money to PayPal from bank account. Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add money to your PayPal account directly from your bank account. It's a quick and easy process, so let's dive right in. First, head over to paypal.com and log into your PayPal account using your email and password. If your bank account isn't linked to PayPal yet, click on the Wallet tab at the top of the page and then select Link a Bank and follow the instructions to securely add your bank account information. Once you're logged in and your bank is linked, click on Wallet at the top of the page. In the PayPal Balance section, you'll see an option that says Add Money, so click on it. Next, choose the bank account you want to transfer the money from, and then enter the amount you want to add to your PayPal balance. Make sure to double check the amount before proceeding. After entering the amount, review your details one last time. Once you're ready, click Add, and this may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your PayPal balance, depending on your bank's processing times. And that's how you add money to your PayPal account from a bank. If this video helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.